available online and dun po sa flyer. June 22, together with special guest, TJ Monterde. So sa lahat po nung wala pa mga tickets, see you guys there, June 22. Let's go! Happy Independence Day, Montreal, and to all the Filipinos around the world. Mabuhay!
Independence Day, guys. My music.
We maybe request that you continue your journey.
It's Independence Day, guys. Konting update lang. Konting update. Kasi may music.
Hello! What a picnic!
Maraming tent palibot. Happy Father's Day 10. The same thing, the same day.
The love that they left behind is, I'm gonna rock your heart a little bit. For the Bicol Association and all the Tawagang and Bong, happy birthday to you.
Marami pong ano dito, yung nagtitinda ng ano doon, ng palibot. Naiya na ako pumunta ron.
To the Apple, Apple Montreal.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Mabuhay Canada!
Store. Guys, barbecue, banana queue, halo-halo. Halo-halo, banana queue, guys. Barbecue, halo-halo, everything is here. Yun, chicharon. May bubble, juice. Oy, Bilma!
Feel the music of Negros Mix Club.
Guys, Independence Day celebration. Tapat natin walang music. Kaya tapos nagsumba. Oh boy, ayan ang kanta, guys. Ayan ang kanta. Bilis, bilis, bilis. Video natin. Dali, dali, dali. Guys, ito ang likod ng store. Yan, likod ng store, guys. Generator ginagamit yung mga ano nila, paglutuan. Or upo-upo na dyan, guys. So, fishball, fishball, halo-halo. Ayan. Diyan sila gluluto. Ang daming pila, guys. Haba. Ayan na, kumakain. Oh. Kanya-kanyang ano na, guys. Uplag. Kanya-kanyang uplag na. Oh, magandang panahon, guys, hindi umulan. Oh, pati puraw. Pati puraw kumakain na rin sa damuhan. 'Di ba, guys? Mas feel mo yung sarap. Tapos na, guys, ata wala ng tugtog. Magapag ano na tayo. Ha? Okay, good.
I want to scoop it. What is that?
Wait, may boy. Kinuha ng scooter ko, guys. Tinakbo na. Ako na naglakad. Dala-dala akong aking take out from the park. Pizza. And then some barbecue inside. With rice. Umuwi na kami, guys. 5 o'clock na eh. Tapos ng show. That's Independence Day. Next, it's Pista ng Nayon naman. Next month. Ang lalaki ng mga halo-halo nila guys. Parang ano, parang bowl na ata yung paglagyan. Ang lalaki. Hindi ako naghalo-halo. Baka mabigla aking ngala-ngala. Mahirap na. Sensitive pa naman ako sa cold. Thank you for watching.